Hi, Joanna. My name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband, Rob, on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. But we'll get started. The three things we'll be covering are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and that would be anything you can see on your site here. It does include the words, but also the pictures and what your pictures are saved as. And Google likes to see about 1,500 words on the front of a homepage of a website. And within those 1,500 words, it gives you the opportunity to be able to add in keywords that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. So it certainly looks like you all have plenty of content, which is great. Your website looks fantastic. So my only suggestion would be just to go through your content and look for places where you can add in more of those keywords. That will help out a tremendous amount when you're trying to get ranked on Google. So next up is citations, and I just did a quick search here, and the first thing that pops up is this section. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that. So a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, and really anywhere else that'll allow business owners to add in those details and services. So you would want to check out where your competitors are being listed within those directories, and you want to grab those listings for your business. But then you want to double, triple, quadruple what you have. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those, and then you want to add on 20, 30, 40 more. That will have you completely dominating them in that space, but it also helps you to rank high here. So moving along here to backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section. This is called the organic section. And the way backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided that they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning services that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that that is the industry that you're in. That will be a lot more powerful, but also unique in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. And I pulled up one of the tools that I use here just so I can give you more of a visual representation of what I'm talking about. So it's showing currently you all have 4 referring domains, which are giving you 30 backlinks, getting you found for 6 keywords, but it's not pushing any traffic toward your site. And here is the top competitor, and I know this is a bigger company, but it's showing they have 4.7 thousand referring domains, giving them 743,000 backlinks, getting them found for 133,000 keywords, and that's driving 125,000 people to their website per month. So let's take a look and see if we can look at the keywords they're using to kind of get an idea here. So what we're looking for are buyer intent keywords. And what I mean by that is anything that someone is going to think to actually type into the search bar when they're looking for your services. So let's see here. I'm going to try not to bore you here and have us go through a ton of these, but I want to at least find a couple here. So they're ranking for their business name. That's not surprising. Here's one, maid service near me. Now this near me is going to kind of pre-populate whenever it's typed into Google to wherever that person is. So you can certainly use something like that. And as long as you have the service or the industry either in front or behind that, that would certainly be a buyer intent keyword. What would be even better is something like this, maid service mobile AL. So this would be even better because it's listing the specific location. House cleaners, Jacksonville, FL. That would be another good one. And again, I'm not going to bore you and have us go through these thousands of keywords, but I hope this at least kind of gives you an idea of the types of things you would want to work into the content on your site. And truly, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. But just as we spoke about with the citations, always adding on to that. That way you're far surpassing whatever your competitors are doing. That's the kind of thing that'll get you on that first page of Google, but it will also give your competition a run for their money, and they're going to have a hard time keeping up with you. But that is all that I have for you today. I do hope that this video was helpful. If you would like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please contact us. We would love to talk to you about that. But thank you for taking the time to watch this, and you have a great rest of your day.